My business has officially launched, y'all. So because I have a suite, I have to fill the suite with different things. So let's get started.
Like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring to the people that pour into you, because life is so short. And if you're seeing this video, then that means you know what my surprise is. You know what the good news is. What do you think the surprise of the good news is?
The business?
Yeah.
It's not
My business, which is called The Cake by Candy LLC. My business has officially launched, y'all. Well, we're in the launch phase of, and what I'll be doing is permanent jewelry. That's where it's starting, but it's gonna venture off into a couple of different things that'll be coming soon. So stay tuned for that. But I have a suite. So because I have a suite, I have to fill the suite with different things. So that's what we're here for today. We're going to do a haul of all the stuff that I ordered to go into my suite. Now I have a vision that I came up with. So I'll insert the picture and show you what my vision is. So now you see the vision. So now I'm about to unbox everything and show you all the stuff that I got. Are y'all excited? I am. So let's get started. So some stuff I did open already, but I did not open everything. So this is a combination of stuff from Amazon, SHEIN, and Walmart. And I'll provide you a link for it as well in case you were wondering or wanted to purchase. So this is the pink Pampas Grass that I ordered. I ordered 2 different bunches of this. I think it's 2 different colors. These are the same color. Pampas Grass, and I ordered some leaves as well. Well, trees. It's a paradise. So it's 2 paradise leaves. So I got 2 Pampas Grass, 2 pink Pampas Grass, and 2 paradise leaves. So I have to actually get a base for these. But I'll have to get a base for these. I think I bought a base already. If not, I'll get one. And that's just accents for the actual suite. I think this is the rug. So I'm excited to see this scale. I can stuff down. Oh, it looks like I thought. It's not as heavy as what it's supposed to be, but this is the rug. But I saw this rug and I fell in love with it. That's where the vision started at. I was like, I want this rug. I want this kind of wall. And then, so the rug came from SHEIN, the Pampas Grass, and the leaves came from SHEIN as well. This came from Amazon. So when I do bracelets or anklets or whatever, I want to make a little gift bag for my customers. So I got these little polish cloths, and I got these stickers, girly little stickers to go on the bags. There's gonna be other stuff in there, but it's something else over here somewhere. But it's just what I wanted to start off, just to put my own little touches on it. So they have like little quotes and things on it, little pink girly quotes. This one says better days ahead. Everybody could use a little inspiration. So that's that. And I'm sure if you've seen this video, you'll see the one before where I go in depth as to what I'll be doing and the mission, the vision, and all that good stuff. This is just the first haul of the things that I've ordered. This is a jewelry holder. This came from Amazon. This color is so pretty. It looks a little reddish on the camera, but it's actually pink. So this is one of, it's somewhere. But this is what I'm gonna use to display the different options that I'll have for bracelets. I have this one and another one because I'm starting off with just a few chains. I'll have gold and silver. So I wanna have one for gold and one for silver, just to display things. This came from Amazon. This is the armrest, so that when you get your jewelry done, you can put your arm over here. So that way I don't have to, it just makes it easier when you have something to rest your arm on. Cute. Pink. And so everything is in the pink family and just super girly. Because that's me. Duh. Still got a lot of stuff to go, y'all. A lot. Alright, so this is safety goggles. I have goggles already, glasses. But I have safety goggles for my customers to use so that they can protect their eyes when I'm welding their bracelet or anklet. And you know that they have to be on brand. Pink. They're so cute. So that's those. This came from Amazon. Here's another of the jewelry display for the bracelet. So this is more of the stuff for the gift bag. So we got some leopard tissue paper. And then we have some pink gift bags. I thought it was gonna be a little smaller than this though. These are big. I need something smaller. I'm gonna have to send these back because I need a little cute, dainty something, not something that's like, oh, it's a shown up gift. No. So now this, it says the cake by Candy. I'll have to like, I'm so super excited. It's gonna be so cute. I don't know what this is. This must be the footstool thing. So I got, because I'll be doing anklets as well. So I need something for my clients to put their leg on so I can put the anklet on properly. So, now this box is a box with 4 boxes. I'm not gonna worry about pulling it all out. But these are the pink panels for the wall. Listen, this wall is gonna be everything. I'm so excited about how it's gonna turn out. So we have these panels and I ordered, they actually come, it's 24 pieces per box and I ordered 4 boxes. So this should cover that wall because I did measurements and I took measurements and that's what it told me to do. And I think I ordered a little more than it actually told me. So fingers crossed that we have enough, but that actually came from SHEIN. That box is heavy. Hold on, y'all. So this box we have, I ordered some wall plate covers. This stuff came from Amazon. Some wall plate covers. These are gold. Just to be on theme, on brand. These are some more for the outlets. Take one out so you can see. Cutesy. Like I tried to think of everything. I know there'll be more stuff that I'll need in the future, but I feel like this was a really good start. Those. And then I got a power strip. It's pink. I have, ooh, it's heavy. Leopard wallpaper. I ordered 2 of these. So this is it 120 foot roll? 144 square feet. So I ordered 2 of these. I ordered a LED magnifying lamp so that way I had light and I can see when I'm actually doing my bracelets and jewelry. So to make sure that everything is precise, tight, clean, as it should be. And the light is actually like a teal color. Well, right now you just see the magnifying part. And then this is the cart that I ordered. So I can put my equipment on it and be able to move and just be agile and be able to do what I need to do when it comes to moving around my suites. We have a few more boxes to go, guys. We're knocking them down. This box came from Amazon. This is sticker paper for the labels for the bags and also the little water bottles that I'm gonna have. I have little small water bottles just in case a client gets thirsty. But I want everything to be branded and well thought out. It's all gonna be an experience. So, what in the world? Everything just tore up. This is cardstock. Why is it open? I don't know. What's this? Oh, this is a jewelry tray to, I think this is the one I ordered for my charms to go into. So these are the charm display boxes. Just so everything can be seen, you're able to pick out, and everything is seamless. So I got a bunch of those. They came in a set. Now this I ordered, and when I opened the box, I noticed that it was taped together. The tape is still on there. It was in pieces and taped and broken. And one of the letters is off. You see the Y? That ain't right. So I contacted the maker because you put it in the box and you put the tape on it. So you knew that it was damaged and you sent it anyway. But they did go ahead and refund my money, so I'm just gonna fix it myself. But this is one of the signs that I purchased. I gotta fix it. But it's really cute. I gotta fix where it's broken. And then I also gotta try to take that Y off and fix that too. But isn't that cute? Besides the obvious. So you gotta get that together. And then the crazy part is this packed in foam, but it was still packed broken. Saw it and taped it and said, oh, I'm finna shift it still. So we got 2 more things to unbox, y'all. This next box is a chair. So that's the chair, and I'm gonna put that together. And then this last thing is the mirror, y'all. So I gotta take this out the box. I'm a little scared to unbox this mirror because this end is a little bent. I don't know what it's gonna be like when I get this box open. But let's see. I think it's good. Okay, this is big. I don't want it to be. This is giving me right here. I'm not mounting it on the wall. I'm just gonna have it standing. Let me show you what it looks like. This is this mirror versus this mirror. So that's why I'm sending this one back. I like this one more because it's bigger. And I feel like it's just giving me more. I don't know. What do y'all think? That's cute, but this is more functional for what I need. And it's gonna be against a backdrop anyway, that pink wall. So I feel like that would just clash with it, but this will go really good. Yeah, I like that one more.